The one with all the weed jokes, or a letter to Colorado Christian University. I got asked to withdraw from college before I even started, when my advisor told me this is probably not the right fit for you, and I argued that college is supposed to be about celebrating differences and growing from them. She told me I wasn't in line with the school's beliefs and values, and if you think that's some bullshit, wait, it gets better. Because at the time, they told me they didn't want me because I was an ally, a supporter. I didn't even know I wanted to fuck girls yet, when they told me I wasn't welcome for supporting gay rights. Colorado Christian University's student handbook says that you can't have gay propaganda in your room. And it goes on to say that supporting the homosexual agenda can be grounds for expulsion. Believe me, I wish I was kidding here. Like, what is this, fucking Russia? What kind of fragile, crumbling, tyrannical regime even uses the word propaganda anymore? President William Armstrong, more like Vladimir fucking Putin. What gives you the right to dictate what God's will is? What gives you the goddamn motherfucking right to say, love thy father and thy mother and thy sister and thy brother, love one another, love thy neighbor, love thy neighbor, love thy neighbor, unless thy neighbor happens to be one of those fucking queers you tell us to get stoned, and I don't think you mean 420, blaze it, dude, pass the blunt, yo. Which is kind of funny, because the Bible also says to love thy enemy. It's in Matthew 5:44, Luke 6:27, and 1 Corinthians 13:1, if you don't believe me. I don't know why being low-key in love with my best friend makes me your enemy, but if wanting to kiss her under the Colorado stars by a frozen lake is reason enough to throw my gay, bi, pan, whatever ass in hell, then I will march right up to those gates whistling and skipping. Because heaven sounds like Moscow, filled with people like you, William Armstrong, filled with your people holding signs and yelling, God hates fags. No, fuck your heaven, I'm not interested. And I guess if I'm putting an optimistic spin on this, which I am really good at, I can say that I'm thankful you told me I wasn't welcome before I had to spend a year in a fucking gulag. But you should know that in John 8:7, Christ looked those stoners in the eye and said, bro, let he who is without sin cast the first stone. And they dropped those rocks and they walked away. So why are you still telling people to get stoned and not in the weed way? Hey, William L. Vladimir Putin, maybe it's time to pick up a Bible and familiarize yourself with the teachings of Christ. Or if you're not man enough to be proved wrong by your own God, go get stoned. And I am talking 420, blaze it, dude, pass the blunt, yo. There's probably a dispensary down the street that says Colorado. Because if there's one thing the stoners got right that you fucked up, it's peace and love and smoke some weed and leave everyone the hell alone.